My name is Sukanya. I'm a curator and a researcher and a designer. And I think design was one of the big reasons how I got involved with the image assembly workshop. I've been familiar with the work of photographers, and I've worked a lot on editing, on designing photo books actually. And this was a unique opportunity to be able to work on 10 different photo books. I think I've had different experiences of thinking about design, thinking about exhibition design, graphic design, and essentially thinking about design in different formats. So this was a very unique workshop in how design was very much a part of the process of working with these photographers, kind of thinking about photo edits alongside thinking about the format of the book. So that was very exciting to me, and hence being involved with the 10 artists here and the facilitators, Tanvi and Cecil, was a unique opportunity to be in a conversation with other kinds of practitioners and sort of think a little bit more about design for books. I do think that the process of this workshop was very unique in how it was structured. Just the fact that it is happening with 10 different artists, but sort of happening in this very informal collaborative space. We are in Tanvi's house, which I think is a lovely sort of way of getting to know each other and, attempting different models of working together. So it's been very interesting for me to see conversations about photo editing specifically happening on one level, but simultaneously then moving into also thinking about how does that edit sort of translate into the format of a book. Because, and we've been having some interesting conversations with each photographer, sort of thinking about how do we use the language of print production or the language of typefaces or just different kinds of material, and how do you sort of communicate that narrative?